it's me, CHESKA, and I'm back again with another video. So in today's video, I'll be doing squishy dares and bad hair day. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It's right here or right in my face. Give this video a big thumbs up, and obviously it's in my face. Share this with your friends, and all my social medias will be linked in the description box below. So go check them out, and let's get on with the video. First squishy dare is stretch a non-stretchy squishy. I'll be stretching this baguette. So here's how squishy this is. Okay, let's read through one. Oh my gosh. I stretched it. Okay. Here's the stretched I made and right here. Yeah. That's that one. Next there is add fragrance to a squishy or just alcohol. I'll be adding alcohol to this cake. Oh, they're both green, so get ready. Oh my gosh. Whoa. This was so weird. Just spray it. Whoa, it's making like bumps. That's weird. Whoa, it made like a bump. Okay, it feels so wet. And obviously the paint is coming off, which is good because I don't like the paint job of this. It feels so soft. And I love it. Nice there. I'm actually really scared to squish it, to be honest, because it's really wet. And I'm going to squish it like I'm going to pinch it and see how much water there is. Okay, so let's squish. It's still really rising. Next there is sit on a jumbo squishy. I'll be sitting on my jumbo panda bun. Wait, I have another jumbo panda bun, which is right here. This one, you're probably saying you're picking that because it's more affected. No, it's really soft. So let's see. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. Okay, next there is take a bit of a foam off of the squishy. I'll be doing it with this really weird squishy. So I'll be taking a bit off of this one. Alright. I'm just going to. Oh my gosh. Ah. Okay. I made a big hole right there. But it kind of made it softer. Whoa. Okay. Last layer is cut a squishy up. Okay, so, oh my gosh. I have this bag right here, which I put all my non-squishies in here, squishy materials, and I have scissors. So I'll be cutting up this stress ball, and yeah. Obviously this is not as squishy, but still, just kidding. I'm not going to be cutting this up. I'll be cutting up this. This taburasa. Goodbye. This is my license squishy. So I'm just kidding. I'll be cutting up this defected comb. It is a squishy, technically, but I'll be getting this one, and I'll be cutting the very top. So I'm not gonna cut all the way through because I like this one, so it's really fun to squish. And let me cut this part. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm doing this. Oh my gosh, like that. Oh, I can see it. I can see it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's really fun to squish though. Has a lot of circles or air holes in it because it's like not really slurrizing down. But that's the cone. Where's the other one? Yeah, those are the cones, okay? And then my very first squishy, okay? After this one is my third. Okay, I don't want to cut that much. It literally just came off. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, I'll just be cutting this up. Okay, that's enough. Okay. Okay, so since we're done with just all these layers, let's go see this kilo. And let's go see the Panda Man. Oh my gosh, it's just, let me sit on it still, because it's really comfortable. So let's see my Panda Bun, and let's see this one. That is just, oh my gosh. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. And the shout outs will be linked in the description box below. And hope you get a shout out. Bye guys. I'll be making my thumbnail. Okay. Bye.